Hello bachcho, welcome back to our class HSLC. Today in this class, students, we are going to start class 9th mathematics, chapter number 2. Chapter name is polynomial. So here first of all we have to know what is polynomial. And algebraic expressions like 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Such types of algebraic expression is called polynomial. If you write this expression like 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0, then it will be an equation. It is not polynomial. It will be an equation. So in polynomial and equation there is something different. In equation we have both left hand side and right hand side, but in polynomial we have no left side and no right side. Terms and variables of polynomial. Suppose we have a polynomial, say 2x square minus 5x plus 7. In this polynomial we have 2x square, it is one term, minus 5x, it is also one term, and 7 is also one term. So let us consider 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Let us consider a polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now we have to know here variables. Variables means English alphabets present in the polynomial x, y, z, like. So these will be variable. But in this case, in this polynomial, the variable is only x. Here the variable is only x. Suppose we take another polynomial, say 2x square plus 5y square. But in this case, the polynomial have two variables, x and y. Next we are going to talk about one of the very important topic in polynomials, that is coefficient. What is coefficient? Let us take an example, say 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 1. Suppose we have considered a polynomial 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 1. Here variable is only one, variable is x. But how many terms are there? There are 4 terms. So coefficient of x cube will be here coefficient of x cube equal to, that means which number is multiplied with x cube. Here you see 3 is multiplied with x cube. Before, not after. 3 is multiplied with x cube. So coefficient of x cube will be 3. Not this 3. This 3 will be coefficient. Next, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of x square, you see which number is multiplied with x square? 5. Not only 5. You can say, you have to say minus 5. So coefficient of x square will be equal to minus 5. If there is minus sign in front of the number, then you have to mention the minus sign. Next, coefficient of x equal to, now you tell what is the coefficient of x? It will be 2. And last one, it is the constant term. If a polynomial have only one term, if there is only one term in the polynomial, then it will be called a monomial. When a polynomial called monomial, if there is only one term, remember, if there is only one term, then it will be a monomial. Here some examples are given. Say 5x, only one term, it is monomial. 7y, only one term, so it will be monomial. 3, a constant polynomial, and here only one term, so it will be monomial. Next, what is binomial? Binomial means if a polynomial have only two terms, then it will be a binomial. Binomial is also a polynomial, but in this case we have only two terms. So here some examples are given. So 5x plus 2, here two terms. It is also a polynomial, but number of terms is 2, so therefore it will be a binomial. Next, 2x square plus 3, it is also polynomial, number of terms here 2, so therefore it will be a binomial. 3x plus 7, it is also polynomial, but number of terms here 2, so therefore it will be a binomial. Next, trinomial. What is trinomial? If a polynomial have only 3 terms, then it is called a trinomial. That means trinomial also a polynomial, but in this case the polynomial have only 3 terms, so it will be a trinomial. Here some examples are given. The 2x square plus 3x plus 5, it is a polynomial, but here number of terms is 3, so therefore it will be a trinomial. Next, another example we have taken. Here 3x cube plus 2x plus 7, number of terms is 3, so therefore this polynomial is specially called trinomial. Next, we are going to discuss a very important topic on polynomials, that is degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? What do you mean by degree of polynomial? You see, what is degree of polynomial? The highest power of the variable of a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Here some examples are considered. So first example is 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. So degree of this polynomial, you see, here highest power is 3. This 3, highest power of the variable is 3. So therefore degree of this polynomial will be 3. Next, 2x square plus 3x plus 5, it is another polynomial we have taken. So in this polynomial, you see, maximum power, highest power is 2. So therefore degree of this polynomial will be 2. Next, we have considered another example. So 5x square plus 7x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x plus 1. Here you see, highest power of the variable is 4. So therefore degree of this polynomial will be 4. Next, you see, what is linear polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is 1, degree is 1, remember, then it is called linear polynomial. Some examples. So 2x plus 5, here degree of the variable is 1, degree of the polynomial is 1, so therefore this polynomial is specially called linear polynomial. Next, 3x plus 2, here also degree of this polynomial is 1, so therefore it is linear polynomial. 7x minus 1, degree of this polynomial is 1, so therefore it is linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. You see, what is quadratic polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is 2, then it is called a quadratic polynomial. Here some examples are given. You see, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here maximum power of the variable is 2. So therefore degree of this polynomial is 2, and hence we called this polynomial as quadratic polynomial. Next, we have taken another example here. 5x square plus 7x plus 9. You see, maximum highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 2. So therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. Next, you see cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is 3, degree is 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial. Here some examples are given. You see 5x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 7. So degree, maximum power of the variable in this polynomial is 3. Therefore degree is 3. So that this polynomial is specially called cubic polynomial. Another example is here. 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 4. Since degree is 3, so therefore this polynomial is also called cubic polynomial. Next, we are going to discuss one of the very important topic in polynomial, that is zero of polynomial. What is zero of polynomial? Already you have know that polynomial have degree. Similarly, a polynomial have zero also. How we can define zero of polynomial? Here, what is the zero of polynomial? You see, the value of the variable for which the polynomial becomes 0. For example, you see, so we have considered a polynomial 5x plus 10. Here variable is x. Now what will be the 0 of this polynomial? You see, if we put x equal to 2 minus 2, then we get 5 into minus 2 plus 10 equal to plus minus minus 5 to the 10 plus 10. So it will be minus 10 and plus 10 cancel, then we have 0. That means in place of x, if we put minus 2, then the polynomial become 0. Therefore x equal to minus 2, that means the value of this variable, when we take it minus 2, then minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Therefore we can write x equal to. Next, suppose we take another example, say 2x plus 3. What will be the 0 of this polynomial? In such polynomial, we have used a technique to find the 0 of such types of polynomials. The technique is the 0, that means the variable, value of the variable we have to put in this polynomial. Value of the variable will be equal to constant term, you have to write in numerator, and if here is positive sign, then you have to give here my negative sign, and if there is negative sign, then you have to give here positive sign, right? Divided by, in denominator you have to write the coefficient of the variable. What you have write in denominator? In denominator you have to write the coefficient of the variable, that is here 2. So if we put x equal to minus 2 by 3, then we get, you see, 2 into, in place of x we put minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So these 2 and these 2 will be cancelled. Then we have here minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to minus 3 by 2, it is the 0 of this polynomial.